There are many characters in my Chinese radical grass series, and I'm here to provide a summary video for you to learn them fast. After you finish this video, you'll know 4 characters with radical grass and their explanations. Sounds good? The characters are 花 flowers, 芽 buds, miáo sprouts, and 包 buds. Let me introduce myself before we start. I'm Yao, and my first language is Mandarin Chinese. My videos are all about how to write in traditional Chinese and provide character decompositions at the same time. It's informative, and you won't find Chinese characters are complicated anymore. Okay, let's start our learning. 花 means flowers. There are 2 parts in 花. The upper part, 草 grass, and the lower part, 画 画 is the phonetic of 花. Ya means a bud or to sprout. There are 2 parts in ya. The upper part, 草 grass, and the lower part, 芽 Ya shares the same pronunciation of ya. Ya means tooth, and it's a pictograph. Miáo means sprout, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草 grass, and the lower part, 田 田 is a pictograph of a rice field with irrigation channels. 田 can also be a Chinese radical and a family name. The grass grows in a rice field relates to miáo, sprouts. Bao means buds, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草 grass, and the lower part, 包 包 is the phonetic of 包, and they share the same pronunciation. Yay! It's the end of this video. Do you enjoy it? I hope after this video, you'll have an idea about the Chinese radical grass. My next video will introduce you to their stroke orders, and you'll learn how to write them with my step-by-step tutorial. See you soon. Bye bye.